What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, billionaires are quietly buying stocks? Stocks that most people are completely ignoring. No headlines, no hype, no noise. Just silent moves worth billions of dollars. Now imagine this. If you could see exactly what the richest people in the world are buying, would you copy them? Or would you ignore it like everyone else? Because the truth is, the information is public, but almost nobody pays attention. Today, we're going to break it all down. Let's be clear about one thing. Billionaires don't invest randomly. They don't chase trends. They don't panic sell. And they definitely don't follow social media hype. They follow data. They follow long-term vision. And most importantly, they invest in the future. In this video, you'll learn which stocks billionaires are buying right now, why they are buying them, and whether you should copy them or not. But be careful, because copying billionaires blindly might be the fastest way to lose money. To understand what they buy, you first need to understand how they think. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He doesn't care about short-term price movements. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." That means, if you're always chasing quick profits, you're playing the wrong game. Now look at Elon Musk. He invests in the future. Electric cars, space travel, artificial intelligence. And then there's Jeff Bezos. He built a company that people thought was just an online bookstore and turned it into a global empire. So what's the pattern? Billionaires invest in what the world will need, not what it wants today. Let's start with one of the most powerful companies in the world. Yes, Apple Inc. Now, you might be thinking, Apple? That's obvious. Exactly. And that's the point. Billionaires don't always look for hidden stocks. Sometimes they double down on what already works. Apple is not just a company. It's an ecosystem. Once someone buys an iPhone, they often buy AirPods, then a MacBook, then an Apple Watch. And before you know it, they're locked in. That's called customer stickiness. That's why Warren Buffett made Apple one of his biggest investments. Why billionaires love Apple. Massive profits, loyal customers, strong brand power, consistent growth. Apple doesn't need to chase customers. Customers come to Apple. Now, let's talk about the company powering the future, nvidia. If you've heard about AI, then you've already heard about nvidia. This company makes GPUs, the chips that power artificial intelligence. Every AI model, every data center, every advanced computing system depends on nvidia. Right now, we are in the early stages of an AI revolution, and billionaires know this. That's why they're investing heavily in nvidia. Here's the simple idea. Don't invest in the gold miners. Invest in the company selling the tools. nvidia is selling the tools, and demand is exploding. Amazon. Most people think Amazon is just an online store. That is a huge mistake. Amazon is actually a technology giant. It owns one of the biggest e-commerce platforms, the world's leading cloud service, AWS, a massive logistics network, growing AI infrastructure. And here's the crazy part. AWS alone generates billions in profit. That's why Jeff Bezos focused on building infrastructure, not just a store. Billionaires invest in Amazon because it's not just a company, it's the backbone of the internet economy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's a pattern behind all these investments. Billionaires don't randomly pick stocks. They follow 3 simple rules. 1. Strong business model. The company must make real money. 2. Future growth potential. The company must be relevant in the next 10-20 years. 3. Market domination. The company must be a leader, not a follower. Apple, nvidia, and Amazon all follow this pattern. Now, the big question. Should you copy billionaires? The answer is yes, but not blindly. Here's why. Billionaires have more money, more time, more patience. They can hold stocks for years, even decades. But most people panic when prices drop, want quick profits, don't understand the business. So copying without understanding is dangerous. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They buy after the stock has already gone up. They see news, they see hype, and then they jump in. But by that time, billionaires are already taking profits. Remember this. Smart money moves first. Retail investors move last. Don't be the last. If you want to invest like billionaires, follow this simple strategy. Focus on strong companies. Think long-term. Invest consistently. Don't panic during drops. And most importantly, understand what you're buying, because knowledge is your biggest advantage. At the end of the day, the stock market is not about luck. It's about discipline. It's about patience. And it's about thinking differently from the crowd. If you can think like a billionaire, you can start building like one too. If you want the next video on top 3 hidden stocks before they explode, then comment next right now. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Because the difference between rich and average is often just the information they act on.